Hello everybody, back out on the little Nelly again. Just done the oil change, which I've been saying I've been going to do that for ages. It's quite easy to do. Good little tip that I found out is when you put, because I think it takes just over a litre of oil, 1.2 litres I think it was. Basically, once you put it all back together, put a litre in and then start the engine, let it run for like 30 seconds to a minute, and then that will suck some of the oil what you put in already in through the filter, and then you can top it back up again with that 0.2. Trust us to come this way with some horses, bloody hell. I think I might actually just go on the path. That's one way to do it. I love this road, like. Oh, that was a big bump. I'll have a dead bum after that. Yeah, so basically, just the oil change, what I was talking about before. Pretty straightforward. I was going to do a little video on it, but not much point, to be honest. There's quite a few decent videos on there already. And I cleaned my chain a couple of days ago for the first time. Just used some WD-40 and a couple of cheap toothbrushes. And I sprayed it with, what was it called again? Is it Gorilla Slip or something? Or banana slip wax, chain wax. Pretty good, like. I'll put a picture on if anybody wants to buy it. Dead easy to use. What a lovely day. I cannot wait for summer to arrive, like. Tell it's definitely starting to change now, like when I'll be looking on my phone, like quite a lot of days like full sunshine, only like 12 degrees, but it's getting there. Do a left here. I do love this exhaust, like. If I heard this like coming from behind us, if I was like a pedestrian, I'd think it was like a 600cc or something. Does get a few heads turning. I've definitely got way more confident on this now, especially like leaning into the corners and that. It is a little agile bike, so Nearly home now. It's where all the traffic starts. So yeah, just a short video anyway, just saying that I had eventually changed the oil and the filter. Don't forget, anyone that's doing it, that's watched the video, just put a litre in first and then start it up. That'll suck all the oil up through into the filter, and then just put that 0.2 back in. And that's it, easy peasy. Thanks for watching, see you later.